What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras in all low light between the Galaxy S21 Ultra, right, and the LG G8. Now, the LG G8 is about 2 generations behind the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I've already done a dedicated daytime video for both of these devices, so check it out. The reason why I'm doing this video is because it was a fan request. I love my community. Then a lot of people hit me up and say, hey, Easy, can you do this comparison between this device and this device? We all know that the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the new kid on the block. But you know what? Let's go on to do old versus new. This is more of a how technology have aged over time. That's all. So before I start all my camera reviews, I always wipe the camera lens because there's no excuses on this YouTube channel right here. So let's have some fun in all low light between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8 all low light. Here it is. This is a fan request. I love my community. Y'all guys support me, support the channel, support everything that I do. All right, so let's talk about this for a second. Now, some of the photos that y'all guys saw, you saw the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8 had 2 different color signs. You know what? At night, you start to see it. You see that at night. You see devices give you 2 different types of color tones, and the color signs is different. Now, look at this rock. The Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8 got 2 different color tones, right? So which one is true to life? I can tell you that the LG G8 is more of a natural color, but the true representation of this rock is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the correct color. Now, don't get me wrong. If you look at the LG G8, it gives you more of a natural muted color. There's nothing wrong with that. A lot of people love that color. A lot of people don't like that oversaturation when it comes down to their photos and video. All right, so let's do my test when I zoom in. Delete sign, let's zoom all the way in. Here, we got 8 times zoom on the LG G8. And of course, we got like buku zoom on the Galaxy. So let's go 8 times zoom only to be even Steven. All right, you see a lot of noise on the LG G8, but you don't see that much noise on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, listen, man, this test right here, this camera comparison, it's not to say who win, who lost. We all know that the LG G8 is a 2 generation behind device compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's no winners or losers here. It's just a fan request. And I mean, it is what it is, right? I mean, y'all guys want to see how devices have aged, and you also want to see how far technology has advanced. And here it is on the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8. Now, I'm not a fan of the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra when it comes down to the low-light front-facing camera. And the reason why is because of the digital noise. The digital noise, just that, the digital noise that I'm consistently getting on the Galaxy S21 Ultra on the front-facing camera. Now, even though the LG G8 is a few generations behind, it still have a really good, solid front-facing camera, and I want y'all guys to see that. My skin tones is, pretty much look better on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but I don't like the background, don't like the digital noise. I'm going to go audio side to side so y'all guys can hear it. But here it is, Galaxy S21 Ultra, LG G8. You be the judge for yourself. Look like I'm losing focus on the LG G8. It is what it is. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about both of these devices in action. See you guys on the next video. Woo! Peace.
Dan Tana.